In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a MasterCard gift card. These cards don't use a one-time redemption code. Instead, you use them like a prepaid MasterCard to pay for purchases, either online or in stores. I'll walk you through getting it ready and then using it at checkout so everything goes smoothly. First, activate the card. Flip it over and call the phone number printed on the back. You'll reach an automated system that will guide you through a quick verification. Have the card in hand and carefully enter the card number exactly as it appears on the front. Next, enter the expiration date, followed by the security code, sometimes called the CVV, from the back of the card. Follow the prompts to complete activation. Listen for a confirmation message that the card is active. If you make a typing mistake, don't worry. The system will usually let you re-enter the information. Keep the card nearby until the call is finished in case you're asked to confirm any details again. Once the card is active, you're ready to pay. At checkout, choose the option to pay with a credit card or a debit card. Either is fine because a MasterCard gift card runs on the same network. Enter the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code exactly as they appear on the card. If the checkout page asks for billing information, fill it in as requested. Use your name and address as you would for a normal card purchase and make sure the zip code matches what you provide during checkout. Precise entry matters. Even a small typo can cause the transaction to fail. When everything looks correct, submit the payment. Give the page a moment to process. If it's approved, you'll see a confirmation just as you would with any other card. If the payment doesn't go through, double-check the numbers, the expiration date, and the CVV. Also, consider the purchase total. If your order costs more than the remaining balance on the gift card, many systems will decline the transaction rather than automatically split it. In that case, try a smaller purchase amount or see if the merchant supports split payments. That's all there is to it. Remember, a MasterCard gift card isn't redeemed with a code. You simply activate it and then use it like a prepaid MasterCard wherever MasterCard is accepted. Keep your card details secure, hang on to any receipts or order confirmations, and enjoy your purchase.